Hi students, how are you? I am fine and I hope that you will be fine at your home. Dear students, in previous class we have completed one lesson. That means lesson 1 was the about the seeds, about the plants. The first lesson name was reproduction in plants. Dear students, I think you have completed your homework and you have preserved it. Okay, dear students. Now today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 2. Lesson number 2. So dear students, first you have to open your notebook and write down some notes, some points that are necessary for you, because if you will written, you will be get the information, and when we will define here, you have to put down in your notebooks. Okay, dear students. Now we are going to start our lesson. Lesson 2. The lesson name is Life of Animals. How do animals live? In this chapter we shall read about the animals, their habitat, their adaptations, their migration, etc. At first, we have to know about the life of animals. We know very well animals are found everywhere, on land, in water and air also. Some animals cannot be seen by our naked eyes. Some microbes, these are. So dear student, today we shall read how do animals live in different areas, different places, and how do they survive on our earth. So dear student, at first we have to know the habitat. Habitat means habitat means the natural home of the living beings. The natural home of living means, in this chapter we shall read about the life of animals. So the living here denoted, the living means animals. Living means animals. The natural home of animals are called habitat. Natural home means the place where they get the right climate, shelter, food to stay alive. That is called their habitat. Okay, dear students, naturally they got their food, their shelter and their livings. So dear student, you will know habitat. So the animals live on land, are called terrestrial animals. Dear students, animals, we know very well the animals live everywhere. At first we shall read about the animals that live on land. The animals that live on land. Dear students, first you have to note down these points that I have written on your board. So dear student, animals live on land. We know the animals live in under the water, in air and on land. At first we shall read about the animals that live on land. The animals that live on land are called Put down in your notebook, students. Okay. The animals that live on land called terrestrial. Terrestrial. Terrestrial animal. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Dear friends, we know very well the land are in different forms. Forest, desert, mountains, polar region. These are the different kinds of oceans. These are the place where live animal, different kinds of live in different kind of places, because we know the habitat, because the natural home, that means the natural home of the animals support their life. So different kind of place, different kinds of animals live. At first we know about the animals that live in forest. The animal that live in forest. What do you mean by forest? You know very well. The natural vegetation densely found in the large area, that is called forest. वह जगह है जहाँ पे नेचुरली बहुत सारे पेड़ पौधे एक साथ मिलते हैं, बहुत जब भारी एरियाज में, बहुत ज्यादा क्षेत्र में, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फॉरेस्ट. तो वी नो इन प्लेन्स, in mountains, many kinds of forests are found. So animals, few kinds of animals live in forest. Now just we have to define the forest. At first we have to define the forest. What do you mean by forest? जंगल क्या है? I know you know very well, but it is necessary to you have to put down in your notebook. So dear friend, forest is a complex ecosystem 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 covered with densely by trees. DENCELY. DENCSELY. Forest is a complex ecosystem covered densely by tree and different type of plants. Okay, dear friend, it is forest. It is forest. That, in few words, the place, a large place covered with a plant, many plants, trees and many plants, that is called forest. So dear friend, several kinds of animals like tiger, deer, elephant, deer, many kinds of insects like flies, houseflies, bees, etc. found in these areas. In forest, different kind of snakes also found. Snake, many insects, many kinds of birds, many kinds of animals are found in forest areas. Okay, dear friend. like you know very well, rabbits, rat, mole, many kinds of birds like kite, like eagle, like heron, many more. So dear friend, this is the and these are the animals that live on in forest. After that, we will read about the animals that live in desert. You know very well desert. Dear friend, it is necessary you have to put down these points in your notebook. Okay? After that, we shall read the animals that live in desert. Animals live in desert. Animals live in deserts. We know very well many kinds of animals that live in desert. Dear student, what is a desert? What is desert? The barren land with scanty, S-C-E-N-T-Y, scanty vegetation and less rain. Okay dear friend, scanty means very few, वह एरिया जहां पे कम से कम पेड़ पौधे हो, वेजिटेशन, यू नो वेरी वेल, वेजिटेशन, प्लांट्स एंड लेस बैरन, लेस रेनफॉल, जहां बारिश कम होती हो. एंड वन थिंग मोर, इट इज ड्राई प्लेस. एंड वन थिंग मोर, द सैंडी एरिया, इट इज ऑल्सो सैंडी मोस्टली. In deserts, there are lot of sand found. There are two kinds of desert, dear student. Regarding this, I have written here the lot of desert. Desert is a barren land with scanty vegetation. There are two kinds of desert: sandy desert and snowy desert. What do you mean snowy desert? Same features are found. They are also barren land and scanty vegetation. In polar region, we can see the snow desert, ice desert, and in sandy areas there are lot of sand also found in desert. So this is sandy desert. तो आप जान गए दो तरह के डेजर्ट हो गए, sandy desert और snowy desert. Okay dear student, so at first we shall read the animals that live in desert. हम इसमें कुछ जानवरों के बारे में जानेंगे जो डेजर्ट एरिया में रहता है. और मैं आपको बता दूं, there are some features of the animals that help them to survive in desert areas. We know very well the habitat, that means natural home, and their body also supportive, that means they make their adaptation to survive in their habitat. अपने आप को वह टाइम ऑफ पीरियड में उस तरह से ढाल लेता है. तो हम सबसे पहले जानेंगे कि डेजर्ट एरियाज में कैसे एनिमल्स रहते हैं. In desert areas, the animals that live, they have thick skin that protect them from the hard rays of the sun. You know very well, in desert area, a lot of heat found there. That means directly sun hit the desert areas. So the animals live in desert area. They have thick skin, less hair. After that, they have adapted themselves to live with less water. That means वह जानवर वहां अपने आप को इस प्रकार से सरवाइव करता है, अपने आप को ढाल लेता है, अडेप्ट कर लेता है कि वह कम से कम पानी के साथ जिंदा रह सके. क्योंकि यू नो वेरी वेल, लेस रेनफॉल फाउंड इन डेजर्ट एरिया, सो देयर इज द स्कार्सिटी ऑफ वाटर इन डेजर्ट एरियाज. एंड वन फीचर्स मोर, एनिमल्स दैट have a special feature that store the water in their underside of the body, like camel. Camel have arm. You know very well, camel have arm that store the extra fats. They need less and less water. They drink a lot of water at a time, but they survive without water for few months, not for a few days, few months, like 3 months, 4 months. So dear student, now in this chapter we have learned today about the animals, life of animals, and we have read about the habitats. What is habitat? After that, the animal live in forest and the animal live in desert. Dear student, next class we will read about the animals that live in snowy desert. We read already the snowy desert, that means the polar region. After that, we shall read about the aquatic animals. Aquatic means the animals that live in water. So dear student, your homework is, you have, I know you have already put down these points in your notebook. You have to remember and you have to read yourself. And then we will meet again shortly in next class. Thank you dear student.